See, now it's got your head okay. Yeah. But like I'm like half off the screen. I'm gonna have to do this. Hello. Good evening and happy Vlogmas day 16. I remembered today. Because yesterday I forgot. It's number 16. How are you all today? I hope you enjoyed the video from yesterday. It was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Today I'm roping Graham to do something else.
Again.
Our Millennium Falcon cookie thing. Show you a little bit closer. This thingy. And then it's got instructions on the back. I don't know how it's going to go.
Horribly.
I don't know. See what happens. So it's got the instructions, which we will follow. I just quite like how it said, like there's these things you have to cut out on the back. And it says, ask a grown-up to cut out the setters. So you're going to have to do it because you're the older one.
And me with a pair of scissors, yeah.
You're the grown-up adult here. I'm the little sister, so you're going to have to do it.
Me a grown-up.
So I don't know how big this is. I don't know whether it's going to...
We'll find out in a minute.
I don't know whether it's going to fit on our little cake board. Don't know how you're going to kind of see it kind of there. It's going to have to like go right on the edge of the table. So we've got a bag full of stuff. That's our icing.
Yeah.
What the heck is that?
Oh. Let's not throw it away. It might be important.
And then we... Oh, look! Look at how tiny it is. That is so adorable.
I had a feeling it wasn't going to be...
Oh my gosh.
Massive.
Okay. Alright. Alright, okay. We got our little icing bits to decorate it with. So, okay, well, let's see how we go. Alright, step 1, icing bag preparation. Knead/massage icing pouch for 1 minute to a soft, smooth consistency, like a toothpaste texture. So you're in charge of doing that while I open up these bits. I'm assuming maybe that's the thing that it sits on. It must be, I think. So then we must put our pieces in this little divilabby thing. Well, I didn't really need the cake stand anyway. Oh well, that's fine. Now we've got to crack these open. Good thing I have some scissors. Why? Yeah. Oh my gosh, there is so much packaging in this. It's the plastic on the top, and then each little bit is in plastic.
Sealed in for freshness.
Yeah, something like that. Oh, look at the little Millennium Falcon. Can you see just how cute and gorgeous that is? It's super sweet. I watched The Last Jedi last night. It was good. I can't wait for the next movie. Oh!
What? Did you just break it?
Just broke it! Oh no! Look!
Can't trust you with anything.
See, I'm no good at these things. Oh, it was my fault. I shouldn't have done that. It's alright. It's fixable. I can totally fix it. It's fine.
Good, I ain't.
Thanks. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. No, it's not. Oh man, we haven't even started and I've ruined it already.
I don't know how many more kneading you need me to do.
Well, it's royal icing, so it like sets hard. So maybe we can glue it back together maybe. That's an option, right? This is why I don't make gingerbread things that stack and build. Open, please.
Another breakage.
I'm trying to not break it, but it doesn't wanna, like, who puts it in packaging like this? This video is just gonna be all about me complaining about packaging and things not working and...
This is riveting stuff at the moment. I'm sitting here doing unnatural things for piping bag and you're breaking biscuits.
Yeah.
You know.
It's a normal Monday night. This could end up being a fail video. No doubt. I mean, we already have fails.
We already have fails, so it is a fail video.
Oh man. So you think it's toothpastey consistency?
Oh.
That'll do. Okay, cut icing bag. To start the flow of icing, snip the tip.
Not going there.
Snip the tip to approximately 7 millimeters. Be sure not to cut the opening too large. Your icing is now ready to squeeze. squeeze. Lay out cookie pieces on the table. Oh, it doesn't mention anything about breaking them.
Oh, obviously not. Doesn't expect you to break them.
What is like a handy tip? This is what you do if you accidentally break it. Lay out cookie pieces on table. Pipe a thick vertical line of icing on the back, non-embossed side, of 2 side panels of Millennium Falcon along the edges. So we're doing these 2 bits first. So we got a binga. We got a 7 mil. How am I supposed to measure that? By eye. Ooh. Oh, there you go. It's done. Oh, it's coming.
So it's Christmas.
It's like a big poo.
Lovely.
Riveting stuff, friends. Riveting stuff. I think we're getting there. Instructions, quick! So this one goes
on that side.
Here. A little one at the... Where's the picture? Yeah, okay.
There's one not different.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look, it's working.
Eee.
This is like standing there, it's not moving. That one there. Success! It hasn't fallen over yet.
Well, at the moment it's kind of hard to fall over. You kind of got it on the thing.
Look, that's pretty good.
Put actual icing down on the thing itself, but yeah.
Do you need to do that?
Oh,
Does it say to do that?
Doesn't say it all, but I mean, yeah.
Alright, so now that we've got our walls, look.
Oh, in fact it does.
Oh, does it? Oh,
Pipe a strip of icing on the Falcon base.
Oh, okay.
Then insert front panel into the icing on base and assemble front, back and 2 side panels.
Now he tells me.
You did not.
Oh, reading the instructions in order. Just do the whole thing, I think. There. Okay. Now, just... Alright, slowly.
Hang on.
Hey!
I don't know which one's the front and which one's the back.
Well, on the picture it looks... The bigger part is at the front. Quickly. Quickly! There. Thank you. Dry, my friend. Okay. I also just make sure that we got the star walls up the right way too. So it's not upside down. That could have been bad. So do we have to wait for that to dry?
Doesn't say anything about waiting for it to dry.
So now, oh, I'm worried. Now that this now has a crack. Oh, look. Are you ready for it? So I think maybe put some icing and then
we've got enough.
glue it together.
We should have enough.
I think. Because I should be alright when we put it on there. It's not gonna... Actually, no, I don't think I'm gonna worry. Because once we sort of put it on there, it's just going to stick there. And then you're going to ice it and it's just not going to move.
Do you want to ice it before you put it on there so that way you won't?
No, let's put it on there first. Pipe a thick line of icing along the top edges of front, back and 2 side panels. Then add the top panel to complete the cookie Millennium Falcon. And then we decorate. Happy days. Look, see?
Oh.
I told you it was all going to be fine. Do you want to try this one?
No.
No?
I don't trust myself. Know my limits.
You're just happy to be a spectator.
Yeah, at the moment, yes.
Sideline commentator. I wonder what this tastes like. Oh, it's edible. It just, yeah, okay. Alright, is that straight? See, look, crisis averted. What were we stressing about? Yeah, but it's going to be decorated. Nobody's going to see it. And who's judging?
Me.
Yay!
Yay.
We did it. It's not finished yet though. How are you supposed to decorate it when you've cut like a 7 mil thingy already?
I still think we should have. It's just going to be hard trying to get into all these.
Well, it doesn't say that in the instructions. Do my best to pipe it. And then you can do the little thingamajiggies. There's icing everywhere. So I'm going to attempt to do like a fancy border like it does in the picture. It's not going to look like the picture. 100%. Look at this. Doesn't look that bad, you know. Oh no, I ruined it. Once I say that, oh yeah, I'm going really well. Bleh. Now what? Shut up. Oh. I should have done that. It's getting worse as I go along. That's not so bad. I mean, they've totally used a totally different icing than this one.
Of course.
So did you want to put a, I don't know, something in there? 2 little thingamajiggies. And then there's another, oh gosh, okay. How do they do that? I don't know. The next one. Ah, no!
I'm going to do a point where it's going
No. Oh, I haven't done the little bits through the middle. Oh yeah, okay. Don't sign me up in a bakery.
No, just cover the whole thing. No.
There's still a little bit of a design there. I don't think that looks too bad. I mean, it's pretty good with the tools that we've been given. Should we do something on the sides? Yeah. Alright, well let's just, you know.
Yeah.
No, bad idea. Well, I thought it would work. Obviously not. Just make the whole process a little bit quicker. Oh, it'll do. I think that's okay. Ish. I don't really know what else to do to it. I mean, like, oh, hang on. That could have been disastrous.
Well, it's already broken, so you know, there's nothing you can do any worse.
You can only tell that it's broken if you like look up close to it. There's our little Millennium Falcon. It's not the best because we suck.
That's your professional opinion, is it?
Yes.
No, we still got stuff left over.
Oh, well, maybe we can like, yeah, let's just make it colourful. That looks so much better, in my opinion. I like the colour on it. Yeah. Oh, you can't see it anymore. You don't want to see it anyway. Time for the advent calendar. I was going to open it, but you can have the joy of opening it again. So we're going to do, let's move that out of the way because otherwise we'll break it. So we're doing day 16. I bet you it's a big door again. It better not be. Where is it? That's a big door. That's not...
It's still bigger than 2.
Yeah, but like, look, I've been doing all of these tiny itty bitty ones and you get a nice big...
Day 2 is bigger than 16.
Whatever. Alright, let's do day 16. I try not to break it. Remember how I showed you yesterday?
Look, I did it well.
Well done. Oh, you don't know what that is.
No, I have no idea.
It's called EPP Hexie Shapes. So that's English paper pieced Hexie shapes. So they're pre-cut Hexie templates.
Yeah.
Oh. So it's just Hexies cut from cardboard. So, you know, people will know what to do with these. You cover them in fabric and you sew the fabric onto the Hexie, and then you sew the Hexies together to make shapes and things. And yeah, so that's the template that you use. So there's 2 different sizes. It doesn't actually say what size they are. I'd say that one's like a 2-inch and that one's a 1.5 inch. Whoops. Oh, but cool. All right, happy days. I knew there'd be one where you wouldn't know what it is that's behind it. Let's move in our lovely creation closer. Thanks for joining me today, Graham. And being my sous chef that just sat there and pretty much watched me just smother icing over a broken biscuit.
Yeah.
That's
what I do.
That's what happens when I try and do these sort of things in the kitchen. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 17. Tomorrow's a busy day. Mum and Dad come home and it's also our nephew Caleb's formal. That's like the end of the year big thing because he's going to high school next year.
Ugh.
The poor boy is growing up. It's amazing. Anyway.
Makes one feel old.
It does make one feel very old. Goodness gracious. 12 years is just gone. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Just keep waiting.
just keep going. Cute though.
They're waiting for him to start. Oh wait, I gotta stop.
Yeah.